Hello, welcome to this brief overview of the Vanguard portal. The Vanguard portal page is an important tool for a lot of student activities. The portal can be used to check your financial aid status, billing status, registration, and many other important functions. Okay, let's get started by opening our web browser and then typing mycampus.asub.edu in the search box and then press enter. Next, click the Login drop-down menu in the top right of the page, and then select Student Portal Homepage. Now you are prompted to enter your ASU-BB sign-in credentials. In the first box, enter your email username, and then in the next box, enter your password and press enter. We are now in Vanguard Portal. For easy navigation, click Show Quick Links in the top corner of the page. This will display important links. If you run into any trouble clicking links in Vanguard Portal, try checking your browser's pop-up blocker. As a reminder, the home page features an easy link to contact your academic advisor. First off, under Campus Info, you can perform a course schedule search. Also, under the Campus Info, you can access the Employee Directory. Under the Academics tab, we have a variety of important functions. Registration lets you work on your enrollment and check your registered courses. Click View Registration Tutorial for more help on the subject. Further down in the Academics tab, we have the Unofficial Transcript link. Click Unofficial Transcript to download a PDF. The Degree Audit tab allows you to view more information about your academics. Your class schedule allows you to print out a schedule with your class locations and times on a single sheet. Forms, near the bottom of the list, is a place that allows you to submit necessary forms. And last in the academics list, the My Grades tab lists all of your grades by term and degree. Up next, in My Profile, you can check alerts and messages, change password, view your information, and check the academic calendar. Under My Finance, account information brings up your billing sheet and financial information with the college. Also, you can retrieve your 1098 tax information on this tab as well. Under My Financial Aid, you can view award information, get useful links to aid resources, and view scholarship offers. And now, under Student Resources, you can get linked to your student email. In the Housing tab, you can submit a housing application. And in the bottom tab, Admissions App, you can submit application information for concurrent high school and returning students. This concludes our overview of the Vanguard portal. Thank you for watching.